symmetry. Okay. So here, let's look at this one. The problem asks us to draw the lines of symmetry if possible.
Possible.
Okay. Where will the symmetry come in this case? So can we draw the line of symmetry over here? Will it be symmetrical on both the sides?
No.
It won't be, right?
On
So
the
that is ruled out. Let's try this. So now, can we say it is symmetrical about both the sides?
Yeah. So if you fold it in half, it'll like.
Yeah. So now we can say that it is symmetrical along both the sides. Yeah?
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So this is what you do. So you have to find the line of symmetry, right?
Yeah, line of symmetry. So we will move on to the next one.
Yeah.
Shall we? Okay, so I'm going to erase this one and move on to the next. We have a triangle.
Okay.
And you were asked to draw the line of symmetry. So in this thing, the two lines are equal. I mean, the two sides are equal.
Okay.
And it's a right angle triangle.
Okay. Yes.
Where would the line of symmetry come? If you are asked to draw the line of symmetry,
Oh.
would we draw it over here or over here? Is it symmetrical? This is not symmetrical. Is this symmetrical? Both are not possible.
Yeah, so you need to draw it from the diagonal, yeah, center or diagonal.
Absolutely. Brilliant. So this is going to be the line of symmetry, isn't it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Good job. Shall we do another one?
Yep.
Now, suppose we have yet another triangle. The same way, we have yet another triangle. But in this case, this is a right angle triangle too.
Okay.
This is a right angle triangle as well. But the only thing is, the sides are not equal.
Equal,
How will
okay.
you draw the line of symmetry here? Definitely not this one, not this one,
Or that,
not
or
this one.
it's not y-axis, x-axis, or diagonal.
How about the diagonal? Can we draw something?
No,
Is
I
it
don't.
possible?
No.
So it is not going to be possible in this case because if I have to give some numbers to this, let's say this is 3 units. The sides are not equal. We'll take the simplest 3 centimeters.
4.
Here it is 4 centimeters, and this
Okay.
is going to be 5 centimeters. So when you cut that, when you draw a line across the diagonal, that's not diagonal though, but when you draw it at least like 45 degrees, it is not going to be symmetrical. One will be of a smaller length, the other one will be of a larger length.
Yeah.
So we're not going to have a symmetrical figure from this. So it is not possible to draw a line of symmetry.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Next one.
So,
We have a figure like this.
T. It's a big T.
Yeah. So where will your line of symmetry come?
Down the y-axis.
Down the y-axis. Absolutely. Right. So now we can see it is symmetrical about,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
That's all it is for. This would be our line of symmetry.
Yeah.
Good. Good job. Good job. On to the next. So this one talks about now figure. You are given a figure like this, and you
Okay.
need to
Uh,
draw the line of symmetry for this.
Down the x-axis. Right.
Smart. Yes. Oh, my. This is not symmetrical. The way I have drawn is not symmetrical. I
Mm.
need to do a makeshift, makeshift, makeshift. Yes.
Yes. I mean, yeah.
All right. So these are the kind of problems that we're going to see with this. Draw the lines of symmetry and all that.
Okay.
So let's move to something bigger. Suppose you have another one like this.
What this is? Okay. Still the same way, right? Let's see how we finish it.
Still the same way, absolutely.
Yeah. Mm,
It's going to be the same way.
yeah.
This would be the line of symmetry in this case too. The next one, we're going to see you need to draw a triangle
Okay.
with two lines of symmetry, possibly two lines of symmetry. How can we do that?
Uh, a triangle is a triangle. Okay. What?
You need to draw a triangle. So if we are drawing a triangle, let's say we draw a triangle.
Okay. I know how to do it.
So just need to
This,
check if
this, this three lines of symmetry count too.
uh,
This three lines of symmetry count too.
three lines of symmetry count as two.
Okay. Count as two.
Can you draw one? Can you draw something like that? Is the question.
Yeah. Yeah. We can draw equilateral triangle.
So okay.
I mean, just one in the half, one diagonally, and then one the other diagonally if they're all equal sides. So which is an equilateral triangle. Yes.
Well,
Yeah. And possibly even a third one. Yeah.
so in an equilateral triangle, it is possible,
Yeah.
but other than that, it is not possible.
Yeah.
So we can also draw yet another one, as you said. So there will be three lines of symmetry in this case, isn't it?
Oh, that is not okay. Yeah, that's a good.
Right. This is going to be the scenario with three lines of symmetry, and that would be in an equilateral triangle.
Yes.
So is there a possibility there in a triangle you can have more than three lines of symmetry? Is it possible to have more than three lines of symmetry?
No. More than three lines of symmetry? No.
It is not possible, right?
Yeah.
Not possible. So yeah.
So the
All right. Next
find number
one.
three for an equilateral.
Yeah. Next one. You're asked to draw a quadrilateral. Draw a quadrilateral and with no line of symmetry.
With no line of symmetry?
Yeah, no line of symmetry should be there in that. So how will you draw that?
Uh,
Let's
one,
draw.
two, three. Oh, wait.
It's a quadrilateral.
Mm,
I cannot have any kind of symmetry in this one, isn't it?
yeah.
We can't have any kind of symmetry, so this doesn't work, or none of them works. Not this, not this.
Nothing will work.
Nothing will work. Okay, so next question would be
A
with
quadrilateral with
quadrilateral with one line of symmetry alone.
just one. Okay, so I drew one already.
You did already?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
it looks like an arrow. Or it looks like a fox. But yeah.
Looks like a fox.
Yeah.
What do you mean it looks like a fox?
If you can see that, it looks like an arrow kind of. See?
Mm-hmm. So we can have a quadrilateral. And make this
Wait,
symmetrical.
but isn't that two lines of symmetry?
Yeah, of course, two lines.
You said one.
Oh, no, wait a minute. Unless we say that
They're not equal.
so these are only equal and these two are not equal.
Yeah.
So here, in this case, we cannot say that it's symmetrical about the x-axis because if we have to give some dimensions, what will happen? This will be 3 centimeters. This
Three,
side will be
three.
3. This side will be 4, and here would be a 4. So it's not going to be symmetrical about the x-axis, but this will be symmetrical about the
Why?
y-axis only. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. All righty, boy. with two lines of symmetry, how can we draw a quadrilateral with two lines of symmetry?
With two, it's like a rectangle.
Like a rectangle? Yeah.
A rectangle with like, yeah, only two. The other way would not fit, and the other way would not fit. So,
But it will have more than two also rectangle.
oh,
But so that's fine. We can still draw this.
a rectangle. Two. Does it have to be exactly two, or does it have to be more than two?
No. So this, when the question asks you to draw just two, we can stop with two.
Okay. What other ways can a rectangle divide into?
So we can also take the case of a rhombus. Okay, we'll do it with a rhombus.
Yeah, but a rectangle works, right?
Yeah, it works. Yeah,
Uh,
it
I
works
thought you
too.
said I thought you said a rectangle has more than two symmetrical sides. I was like,
No, no,
what?
no, no. It works. Just the thing is, you can have more lines of symmetry here. On the other hand, if you take,
Uh,
you know,
rhombus.
a rhombus,
Wait, no, this is not a rhombus. This is a trapezoid. Oh, yeah. Or a trapezoid works too.
trapezium, you mean to say?
Yeah.
So here, the lines of symmetry. This is symmetrical about the diagonal,
Mm,
and this one is symmetrical about the other diagonal. So this is, in this case, only two lines of symmetry are possible, as you can see.
mm. Oh, wait, sorry. Not a trapezoid. Trapezoid won't work.
So what is this figure going to be? This is a
Um,
rhombus.
slash
Yeah.
diamond. Diamond
But
is that the same thing as a rhombus?
which one?
Diamond.
Diamond. Diamond. Oh yeah, you just tilt this by 90 degrees. You can have
Yeah.
a
Diamond.
diamond here.
So is it only called a rhombus when tilted around side?
No, no, it's still a rhombus. A rhombus is what? It's nothing but a four. I mean, a quadrilateral with all the four sides equal.
Yeah.
For that matter, square is also a rhombus.
Yeah.
A square is a rhombus too. But a rhombus is not a square.
Yeah. Because square has like a lot
90
of
degrees.
symmetrical sides.
It should have 90 degrees. All the angles must of the quadrilateral has to be, if it is 90 degrees, then we can call it as a square. But yeah, but not the case in the in with the rhombus.
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. So if you have to draw three lines of symmetry, is it possible? Only three lines of symmetry.
Any shape?
Oh,
Only three would be an equilateral triangle.
only three lines of symmetry. Exactly three lines of symmetry. So we can
Yeah.
say, you
An
know,
equilateral triangle.
no, this is a quadrilateral, right?
Oh, sorry, quadrilateral. Sorry.
The two
Any shape?
lines are done. This is going to be three, and this is going to be four. But it should not be more than three. Is that possible?
Is it
It's
possible?
not. It's not
Not
going to
possible.
be possible with the quadrilateral. We can try with anything. We can try with the trapezium as well. You want to try with the trapezium? We can.
Magnesium will not work at all. Nowhere even close. It only has one.
It can be symmetrical this way, but it cannot be symmetrical this way. So it's ruled out. Can it be symmetrical this way?
Not that way either.
Well, doesn't seem to be.
So, would you say a circle has infinity symmetry, like lines of symmetry?
Absolutely, why not? We can say that,
Okay.
isn't it?
Yeah, because it
Yeah.
keeps going.
All right. I think we have come to the towards the end of the session today.
Okay.
So we can